Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into something special, and that is my 20,000 subscriber giveaway. I am coming up here on 20,000 pretty quickly, and I can say I never expected this. Yes, it might not seem a lot to a lot of those bigger YouTube channels out there, but to me, I started this a few years ago just for fun. My videos were not of good quality. I had a lot of wind noise, echoing, vertical videos. It was not good, but we've came a long ways. We've made a lot of improvements, and we've included a lot of different variations of videos now to the channel. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. I like doing not only tool reviews or car repairs or car detailing. I also have my project car. So it's kind of an all-around channel based on basically anything automotive. So I really hope you guys enjoy this content, and if you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on the videos or maybe some video suggestions. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Other than that, we're going to be getting into the giveaway for my 20,000 subscribers, and this is all thanks to you guys. This channel wouldn't be where it is today without your guys' support, so I can't thank you guys enough. So for the giveaway, Gearwrench reached out to me, and they really enjoyed the video I did on their Gearwrench Underhood light. This thing is extremely versatile, very bright, very durable, and I absolutely love this thing. I compared it to the Harbor Freight Underhood light, and it blows it out of the water. And for pricing for this, it is extremely well priced, especially compared to some of the other professional level underhood lights like this. So if you guys are looking for one, I highly suggest this, but maybe wait till after this giveaway because you have the opportunity to win it. The other thing I like about this is you can buy multiple lights for this unit, and you can connect it all to the same rail. It has a hook, it's got a magnet, it's got your standard flashlight up here, and then it also splits and has two brightnesses there, and you can angle these however you want. You can angle it on the mount all you want, and then the mount itself rotates as well. So it's extremely versatile, extremely bright, and I love this thing. So if you guys are interested, it's going to be a very simple enrollment. And that is going to be, all the links are going to be down in the description. So first up, go to Instagram. Follow Gearwrench Tools because they're the one that are making this possible as well, and I can't thank them enough. So all you got to do is go to the link for Gearwrench Tools' Instagram and follow them, and then go to the second link, the Tony the Technician Instagram, and follow it. Once you do that, you will see an image of this wing light, in which I will put in the description 20,000 sub giveaway or something along those lines, so you guys know that's the correct image to like, and if you would like, leave a comment. And roughly within a week, I will select a random winner, and I will put you in contact with Gearwrench themselves so they can ship it directly to you. So you're going to be getting a brand new light and setup. You won't be getting my used one or anything like that, so don't worry about that. And I just really hope you guys enjoy it. And then once whoever does win it, please let me know your thoughts on the light. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So once again, I can't thank you guys enough, but the giving doesn't stop there. Let's do one more. Now, as you guys might know, I started a car detailing portion to my channel, and it might not be as popular as some of my tool reviews or some of my vehicle repairs, but I still really enjoy doing it. It's still automotive related, and I love recording videos like that. So I'm gonna continue to do that, but I'm gonna keep my Instagram separate, just so if you follow one and you're not interested in the other, you don't necessarily have to see both parts of the channel. But if you guys are interested in the second giveaway, which is going to be this guy, I also did a review on it. Both of these videos are on my channel for you guys to check out. Check out the Gearwrench Underhood light, as well as the Gearwrench Compact Work light. And to enroll in this giveaway right here, it is also very simple. Once again, go and follow Gearwrench Tools on Instagram. If you already plan on enrolling in this one, boom, one step's already done. If you want to be enrolled for this light itself, go to my second Instagram page called Crystal Clean Detailing _CCD. The link will be down there with my other with my other Instagram page, and I will have a picture of this in which you will go and click the like button. That's it, as simple as that. So if you guys enjoy these videos and are really interested in possibly winning one of these lights, it's very simple. Go follow Gearwrench, go follow myself on both my Tony the Technician and Crystal Clean Detailing, and like the image of these two products. And that's it. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other video suggestions for the future, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. I'm always happy to reply to as many people as possible. I really believe in interacting with my viewers as much as possible, because you guys put the effort forth to watch my videos and comment and give me suggestions and all of that. So I like to do the same with you guys, and I can't tell you how much I really appreciate your guys' support. So hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.